Hello guys, welcome to this WordPress tutorial video. My name is Geet Dhillon and today we're going to learn how to navigate within the same page by providing some links to it so that when we click on that link, we end up on the same page to some different section. Just as an example, suppose you are at the top of the page, right? And you're at your home page, and at the top, the first screen that is visible on your home page, you have certain specific menu that's a one page, you have just a one pager website, and you have in the menu bar you have home, about, contact, and everything that you have listed is just one page, and you just have made sections for that. The first section, then the second section is about, the third section is about the services that you provide, and the fourth section is contact. And from the top menu you want that the person, once he clicks on the about, he gets navigated to that specific section, right, on the same page. Like that, if you want to enable this same page navigation, how do you do that using Elementor? So let's just go ahead and take a look at it. All right, guys. So I'm here inside my WordPress and I'll just let you know how to do that. Now, whatever I'm doing now, I'm just going to show a demo of it and also going to tell you that this is the same mechanism that you can use anywhere, all over through in the HTML. This is the basic thing, or in WordPress, anywhere that you're using. This is the thing that how you're going to make this specific thing happen. Now, what we're going to do is, if I want, like, there's this testimonial sections at the bottom, right? If I scroll down, you will see there's this testimonial section at the bottom. And, let's just come over here and, since I have not updated, I'll just update it. Okay. Now, let's just refresh this also. Okay. So there's this section that's visible over here. And this button, what I want is, it could have been in the menus, but over there, I have put this button over here. I want when I click on it, it navigates me to that specific section. Okay. So it's on the same page. It's not on, any different pages itself. So how to do that? Also, this thing is applicable. Suppose you wanted to click, you want that, you are currently at the about page, but in the services section, in the services, you have a specific section over there where you want to navigate. Suppose you did want to navigate to this graphic design part, right? That is also you can do from the about page itself. Okay, so we're going to discuss these two things. Now, whatever I'm doing here is same applicable for the menu. You can put the same way, you can put these things in the menu also. So let's first understand the basic. Now, what I want to be doing is, I also want to edit this service page in Elementor, right? Firstly, let's just talk about the same page. Now, what I need to do is, I need some form of clickable link, and the most common form is the button. So that's why I'm using a button. But if you have an image widget, that also can be used for, if you have that link option over here where you can put in a custom URL, then that widget would work. All right. The only thing that need to know is that there needs to be a link button, or something to link, right? That is required. Now, for me, I'm just going to take in a button. Now, this button, and I can put in anything that I want. Go to, let's just put in, go, okay, go to a section. Okay, so like that, you can put in anything over here. Now, I'm also going to redirect it to the same section. To do that, what I have to do is, I need to provide an ID to this section. So either to this section, or either to this specific testimonial, right? Either to this column, any particular widget in this area, where, since I want my my screen to be visible over here, I want the user, so that once the user clicks, he gets navigated to this part. So either to this section or any of the widgets inside, I will have to come to the advanced tab. Over here, I have this CSS ID and CSS classes. What I can do is, I can put in a CSS ID. Okay. Now, with the CSS ID, I've just put in this testimonials. You can put in anything that you want. Now, once I do that, I'll need to copy that, come back to the button. In the button link, since I'm using an ID, I have to start with a hash sign or a pound sign, right? After that, I need to paste whatever ID that I gave over. Once I do that, if I click on this, it's that simple. All right. So that's how you actually go ahead and achieve this thing. Now, let's just do something a little more advanced. Uh, Let me just reload this page. Okay, I'll let it load. And now what we're going to do is, we want that this is a design, this is a web design part, like this is the services page. In this, I want the user to be navigated to a specific, like a content creation. Even though if I've placed a button inside over here inside the about page, I want the user to get navigated to the services part in the content creation. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select this section, come to the advanced. I'll just put in an ID, uh, content creation. Okay, so I just putting in an ID, content creation. Make sure you type it exactly as it is. If it's not working, that means you made some spelling errors because we need to make it exact. I'll come back to this, and instead of this testimonials, I'm going to paste this. Now, one thing that I need to understand is just doing this, since it's just starting with a hash sign, and and it's just going to be able to navigate to the same page. I need to provide the complete link of the page. So for that, I need to copy this link, and just before this hash symbol, I need to use this, the link of the particular page where I want to redirect. After the page, you will see the section where I want to navigate. So make sure you first copy the page and paste the link over there, and after that you need to put in this hash and content creation, like how I pasted the section with the hash sign. So make sure you do that. Once you update it, now let me just go ahead and kind of come to the about page. Let's click on go to sections. So you see, let me just come back over here, and also let me update this. Okay, so I did not update this, that's why it didn't navigate. So let me update this and refresh this page, and now go to sections. So you see, it redirected me to the services page, and you can see the address bar. This is the URL, right? So this is the URL where I have the site link, and then the specific part where, the section where I have to navigate. So I hope so this is clear to you. And now you can navigate within different pages as well to any specific section in different pages, as well as within the same section and within the same page to a different section. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.